Well, it's time to start this locomotive. Let's put the nice switch on. Let's turn all the breakers. Then we're gonna go out back. We're gonna open the test cocks. They're gonna be a 16 on this engine. And then we're gonna blow it out. Here we go, the last one. Now we're gonna get all the condensation out from these cylinders. Then we're gonna close them back up. Then we're gonna start up. Boom. Here we go, we're gonna get all the condensation out. That tastes pretty good. Now we're gonna close them. Then we're gonna start up. Oh, the last one. Then we're gonna prime it. This is the only one's gonna have to get fuel. This one's gonna have to stay empty, so do that. Well, I've been priming it for a while. Oh, I know what I did. I know what happened. Hang on. I forgot to turn my drain. Haha, what an idiot. Round 2. Fight. Here we go. Now we got fuel. Come on, baby, get the bubbles out. The bubbles out, baby. Come on, come on. Here we go, no more bubbles. Now it's time to start up. So I'm gonna have to push the lay shaft and use my engine start switch over here. I'm gonna have to push you guys over there. Here we go, I'm pushing the lay shaft. I'm pushing it real good. Well, I don't see anything wrong with the gasket. But you know what? I'm just gonna replace it. There we go. Now we're gonna put it back, tie it, and start it back up. Well, I ended up readjusting these valves, so they were not